This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 33B3 is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, stove-top burner, leveling jacks, DVD player, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, skylight, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 33B3 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.